300 people are being featured in the second edition, representing Baltimore's best and brightest.
We'd like to welcome you back to the Donnie Glover Show. We have with us Dr. Destiny. What's the middle name?
Simone Ramjohn.
Simone Ramjohn. Dr. Destiny Simone Ramjohn. Straight out of New York. But she here in Baltimore. And you have a birthday coming up.
I do. I'm an Aries, April 16th, and Brooklyn birthed me, and Baltimore I'm proud to now call home.
What part of Baltimore?
I live in Federal Hill.
It's not Baltimore.
Okay, if I had to choose,
all right.
I'm an over West girl. Okay, I like it over West.
Okay, all right. Why are you being honored today?
I am being selected as one of the most influential honorees this evening. In my daytime, I'm proud to serve as Vice President of Community Health and Social Impact with Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield. I'm a public health sociologist by trade and have made a career of understanding how social factors affect health outcomes. And I'm proud to work for a company that allows me to examine how economic opportunity and educational outcomes contribute to your health of individuals, but entire zip codes.
And what does that mean for 21217? I live over in Sandtown, Freddie Gray.
Wow. Well, it's almost as if you've asked me a softball question. About 3 years ago, our CEO, Brian Pinnock, went on a bus tour, community listening tour, and heard from leaders in 2121617, as well as 15, that economic opportunity was essential. And 3 years later, we have taken up about 20,000 square feet in Mondawmin Mall, which is affectionately known now as the Village, where we provide social and community resources. We've also brought to date about 30 full-time employees that are working right in Mondawmin Mall. So
now
when
that's
you
huge.
ask,
That's huge.
ginormous.
Does anybody know you're there?
I would hope so. We have leaders like Shakia Colbert and others who are there during business hours and sometimes on weekends. Maternal and child health, giving away free car seats. We also have done food distribution and community resource fairs. Your listeners may not know, but the residents of 15, 16, and 17 should absolutely know we're there. And if they don't, they can Google us, Care First at Mondawmin, the Village. We will see you there.
So you will provide health opportunities, doctor's appointments, screenings?
That is the future. Now, the Village, which Care First is a part of, one of the things that we often say is if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. There are about 11 other partners in the Village, including the University of Maryland, who will be providing clinical services. The Whiting Turner, for example, who's delivering construction services. So there are a number of partners doing it all.
Then Doc, I got to tell you,
Okay.
I've been covering news in the city for 30 years. We hear the big names,
Okay.
but we need to see boots on the ground.
Oh, okay.
And not just at Mondawmin, but at Penn North, on Druid Hill Avenue, on Poplar Grove. Not everybody gets to make it to Mondawmin.
You're absolutely right. We know that we can't do this alone. This is a grassroots, grass tops and treetops effort. I think more locally, we have leaders like Yolanda Jiggets at the
Parkite. She does work.
CDC. She does the work. We also have Joe Jones at the Center for Urban Families, who's helping our workforce connect to much needed social services and training. So there are a number of partners. Coppin State University as an anchor institution, as well as the Academy on site. So we don't just do this work up here. That's not how community work gets done. We are locking arms to say, let's do this together.
Well, you've now met Donnie Glover. I'm
All
the
right,
mayor of
Donnie,
Baltimore.
come
I don't
and
know if
visit us.
anybody told you.
We need you to come visit us.
Well, thank you for visiting us
Thank you
here
so much for having me
on the show.
today.
How can people learn more?
Carefirst.com and Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield on Instagram, on LinkedIn. Find us. We're here.
So can we get some free health screenings? That's all I want to know.
Yes, you can.
Okay. You heard it right here on the Donnie
April
Glover Show.
16th. April 16th. Literally my birthday. We're doing a community health fair and doing health screenings. I will follow up with you and as well as your audience, as long as you promise to let them know to come.
I promise.
Okay?
Stay tuned to the Donnie Glover Show. We'll be right back.
Thank you so much. I mean it. I'm going to give you my
You dropped all them big
information.
names. That's my lawyer right there.